An official company announcement is like a carefully planned shipment of cargo. It moves along designated highways, stopping at checkpoints for approval, waiting for the right traffic signals from legal and HR departments. This process is structured, deliberate, and designed for accuracy over speed. Every word is weighed, every implication considered, creating a message that is robust but slow, like a heavily armored truck moving through a congested city. But gossip doesn't use the highways. It's a decentralized, peer-to-peer network. It's a web of footpaths, back alleys, and shortcuts connecting every node directly. A piece of information doesn't need approval to travel this network. It just needs a sender and a receiver. The network's topology itself is the engine of its velocity, a structure optimized not for control, but for spread. This network isn't just for data. The information it carries is a form of social currency. Anthropologist Robin Dunbar proposed that language, and specifically gossip, evolved as a replacement for physical grooming in primates. A monkey can only groom one other monkey at a time to maintain a social bond. But you, with language, can groom multiple people at once by sharing a juicy piece of information. You are servicing your alliances, reinforcing your place in the tribe. An official email is for everyone. It has no scarcity. A secret, however, feels valuable precisely because it is not for everyone. This is the scarcity principle at a cognitive level. Information that is exclusive creates an implicit contract between the teller and the listener. You have been chosen. You are now part of a select group. This feeling of inclusion is a powerful psychological reward, making the information itself seem more important and urgent than a public broadcast accessible to all. Consider the content that travels fastest. Is it news of a new coffee machine or a rumor of impending layoffs? Our brains possess a potent negativity bias. From an evolutionary standpoint, it was far more important to react to the rustle in the bushes that might be a tiger than to the pretty flower that wasn't. Negative information, especially threats to social standing or security, hijacks the amygdala, our brain's threat detection center. This triggers a state of heightened alert, making the information feel critical to share for mutual survival. Good news can wait. A threat cannot. Who do you trust more? A polished statement from a corporate entity you've never met? Or an urgent warning from a colleague you've known for years? Trust is not built on authority. It's built on perceived shared interest. The corporate announcement is optimized for the corporation's interest. The whisper from your peer is perceived as being optimized for your interest, for the tribe's interest. This is our internal trust algorithm at work, favoring the known peer over the abstract power structure. The message's source can be more important than the message's content. A final, fascinating reason for this speed lies in information theory. Claude Shannon defined information as the resolution of uncertainty. An official announcement is designed to be complete, to resolve all uncertainty in one go. But a rumor is the opposite. It is beautifully, powerfully incomplete. It's a fragment, a puzzle piece. This inherent uncertainty is what makes it contagious. We share it not just to inform, but to ask, to speculate, to recruit others into the collaborative act of resolving the uncertainty. The spread is the problem-solving process. So, gossip isn't a bug in the corporate communication system. It is the original, native, human communication system. It's a high-speed, encrypted, peer-to-peer network that runs on hardware sculpted by millions of years of evolution. It's designed to monitor social threats, maintain alliances, and navigate complex tribal hierarchies. The official, formal announcement is just a new, slow, and often clunky piece of software trying to run on this ancient and incredibly powerful hardware. And the hardware always wins.
Monotony has grown fast. Nearly 2,700 people have watched in the last few weeks, yet less than 0.03% are subscribed. It would mean a lot if you joined by hitting subscribe. And again, thanks for watching.